Hey everyone, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $900 per day with high ticket affiliate marketing. So what I'll do is I will show you this platform called Legendary Builders, and I will show you how to use this platform. And before we begin, let me go ahead and show you some of the testimonials from some of the members. So make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end, because by the end of this video, you should have a campaign up and running so you can start making up to $900 per day with high ticket affiliate marketing. So you can see in this account, this member, she made 16 hours ago, she posted this inside the Facebook group or inside the community, and she made $600, and currently she is sitting at $13,398 for the month. It's pretty awesome. And then we have this other member right here. She made $300 and then total commissions of $1,059. Then we have this member. She made $17,800. Okay, this other member who made $10,400 in 23 days. So we have all these testimonials inside the community. And what I'm going to do now is I will show you exactly the steps that you need to do if you want to become one of these success stories, and if you want to get the similar testimonials, similar results with these other members as well. So this is how it works, guys. So the name of the platform is called Digital Marketing Mentor. So this is the website that I built for specifically for this program. It's called Digital Marketing Mentor, and the link will be in the description of the video or in the pinned comment, so you can go to this website and you can check it out. You can sign up, and you can get the 10,000 in 30 days guide 100% for free. So all you have to do when you go to this website is put your Gmail address here, and then you click on yes, get my blueprint now. Just want to make sure that you put your correct email address. Don't put a fake email address, because you will not get the email which contains the 10K in 30 days guide. Okay, so just put your Gmail address here, and again, yes, get my blueprint now. Now on the next page, this is where you will be able to meet the creator of the system. So you will see it here. Check your email in the next 5 minutes. The blueprint will be there. So when you go to this page, this is where you will meet the creator of the system, a good friend and mentor, Michelle. So on this page, there's a video from Michelle, and she will explain to you how this business works and how it works and how you can earn up to $900 a day. So all you have to do when you go to this page, you watch the video. Preferably, you want to do it on the desktop, right? Desktop or laptop, so you can follow the instructions as well. So you watch the video from Michelle, and after that, you can scroll down, check out all these other testimonials. As I said, a lot of other members are making money with this platform, hence the reason why I'm recommending this to my students and team members as well. So what you do after you watch the video from Michelle, really easy. It says here, it's a proven passive daily pay blueprint that anyone can follow, implement, and see. So what you want to do next is click this button that says, yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. And then what will happen is it will take you to this page, which is the sales page of the program called Legacy Builders Program. So when you go to this page, the platform, the Legacy Builders Program, is a one-time payment of $900 for you to be able to access this daily pay blueprint, and for you to be able to get the master or the resale rights license. Okay, let me just say that again. Resale or resale rights license. So you have the license to resell the program and everything that is inside the program, all the tools and the resources, all the assets, all right, that the system creator provided for all the affiliates. You have the rights to use these resources after you pay that one-time payment of $900. And then after the $900, there's another one-time payment of $29 website fee. So basically what you do, you click on get this, you click this button, yes, get access to Legacy Builders Program now. And then what will happen is it will open up to a new page. And then on this new page, this is where you will be presented with the order form. Okay, so again, it's Legacy Builder Program. So it's a one-time payment. And let me show you, right? Don't be afraid to invest this money, because I will show you exactly this program, and you can make that $900 initial investment back as quick as possible, so you can basically make the most commissions. And then all you have to do here, you can click this button, and then it will take you to this page, which is the payment processor that I'm using, called Wise. So again, it's $900 for the Legacy Builders Program. You can pay using Wise. If you have a Wise account, you can pay using your card, Visa, MasterCard, or Maestro. You can also use bank transfer. If you are in the US or outside the US, you can use the bank transfer as well. Once you complete the payment, you just need to complete the $29 one-time payment fee. And then once it's completed, what will happen is you will now get the full access to this platform. Okay, it's called the Digital Growth Community. So this is the Digital Growth Product Dashboard. And then on this dashboard, this is where you will be able to get all these training videos, including all the bonuses right here that you will get. So you can check them out. Now, the most important part that you need to do once you become a member of Legacy Builders Program is you need to go to this part where it says Legacy Builders Program, and then click on View the Product. And then once you do that, you need to go through the training videos and implement the steps. Once you completed the steps, what will happen next? You are now able to get a copy of the exact system, the exact website that we are using. So a similar page that looks like this. You can also edit the images and the text. It's entirely up to you, but basically, as soon as you sign up and as soon as you create your system, activate your system, this is one of the page that you can use. Now, at this point, you are now an active affiliate, and you are now able to earn anywhere from $100, $300, $600, and $900. You don't need to create a website. You don't need to build everything from scratch, right? Because everything has been provided for all the affiliates. So as long as you can follow simple instructions, at this point, your main objective is to send as many people to this page. That's really it. Your main focus is to get people to this page, so people can enter their email and then follow the steps and purchase. So now the most common question that people ask is, how do you promote this page? If, let's say, you were a complete beginner, if you don't have any social media followers, no technical experience, no previous experience, you don't have any email list, how do you promote this page? So the easiest way to promote this page is go to this website. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. So this is the traffic agency that I created for my team members and students. And this is specifically for affiliate marketing in the make money online niche. So basically what you do here is you have the option to select if you want to promote your link on Facebook or Meta, if you want to use Google Ads or YouTube Ads. Now, the good news about this traffic agency is that you don't need to do it yourself. So basically what you do is you just select the traffic package that you want to purchase, and then the traffic agency will do the advertising on your behalf. That's why it's called a traffic agency, because they will be the one doing the advertising. So this is my traffic agency. So once you purchase the traffic package, my team and I will be doing the advertising on your behalf. So you can just sit back, relax, and then you can collect your commissions. So let's say, for example, that you want to purchase the Google Ads campaign. So you have the option 100 buyers traffic campaign. You have the 200 buyers traffic campaign, 500 buyers traffic campaign, or you have the 1000 buyers traffic campaign. It's entirely up to you depending on your budget. Everything, all of this package will give you the results, give you the sales. It's entirely up to you how many buyers traffic do you want. So let's say you want to buy the 100 buyers traffic campaign. It's a one-time payment of $300 only. Okay, so it used to be $500, but today, if you're watching this video, if you go to this website, you will see it as $300. So all you need to do is click that package, and then it will show you product page of the 100 buyers traffic campaign. So you can see this one. it says here that the traffic will be coming from Google Ads. Your campaign will be shown to people who lives in the top tier countries, US, Canada, UK, and Australia. So if you're asking why are we promoting your link to these people, the reason why we are promoting your link to these top tier countries is because we want to make sure that the people who will see your ads, your link, are the people who have the money and people who have the credit card, because it's high ticket affiliate marketing product, right? So all you need to do now is add to cart, complete the payment. Once you complete the payment, the next step that you want to do is message me on my Facebook page. So the link will be in the description, so you can message me on my Facebook page. Either way, I will send you an email, and you will get the receipt, and I will also send you an email to confirm which link do you want me to promote. So the next step is that you need to give a website link. So basically, once you have your system activated, this page right here, you need to give me your link. So once you give me your link, this is exactly what will happen. Okay? Once you give me your link, I will be setting up the campaign. So I already have the campaigns on Google, Facebook, and YouTube. The traffic will be redirected to your affiliate link, which is going to be this page. So of course, people would like to learn how to make $10,000 in 30 days. So they put their email address here. They click on yes, get my blueprint now. Again, you don't need to do any advertising. You don't need to speak to anyone. You don't need to recruit anyone, because we are doing the advertising on your behalf. We are doing all the work on your behalf. When they submit their details here, on the next page, they will meet the creator of the system, Michelle. So again, everything is automated. You don't need to explain anything to anyone, because Michelle already had the system. Michelle is doing all the selling and all the telling. So when people go to this page, of course, they also see the testimonials from some of the members. They get excited. They also want to make money online. They click on yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business. They click on this button. They go to this page. And then on this page, they are presented with this page and all the other products. And when they purchase, that is how you will make that $900 in commission with this platform called Legacy Builders Program. So now if you're asking, is it working for other people? The answer is absolutely yes. So some of these members, as you can see here, 12 hours ago, this member $1,800 in one day. This member made $1,500 in one day. Another member made $2,000 in one day. And then we have this member, $3,350 in one day. Total of $28,350 for the month. So if you're excited and if you want to get into digital marketing, again, all the links will be in the description of the video. So you can check out Digital Marketing Mentor and you can sign up with Legacy Builders. Once you sign up with Legacy Builders and once you activated your system, you can also purchase the traffic package from the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency, and then you can message me on Facebook so you can give me your link. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that I was able to give you information on how you can earn up to $900 per day with high-ticket affiliate marketing. So if you like this video, make sure that you give this video a like or a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment down below if you have any questions and if you learned something from this video. And if you like this kind of videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you can get the updates whenever I post a new video. Again, all the links are in the description of the video, so you can go to this page and sign up. And I look forward to seeing you inside the community. Most importantly, I look forward to seeing your results when you start getting this big $900, $2,000, $3,000 commission with Legacy Builders, same as these other members who are using the exact system that you are about to use. So thank you for watching, guys. Again, all the links are in the description of the video. I wish you all the best and God bless.